Okay, this should be a really quick video for you viewers. Today we are on the second day of proving lines parallel. So think about the diagrams from last class. We had two lines and they were cut by a transversal, right? And so if we knew the alternate interior angles were congruent, then we knew that the lines were parallel. That's an example, okay? Well, what if we didn't know that the lines were parallel, but we knew that one of the angle relationships existed instead? For example, and you don't really need to write anything down for this. You can have this printed and write it down, or you can just listen. But I need your attention. Okay, so if two lines are cut by a transversal so that the corresponding angles are congruent, and those are the angles that match, right? So if this is, it looks like it's about what, 120? So that the corresponding angles are congruent. If you know that, then you know that the lines are parallel. That's it. All we're doing is we're changing what comes after the if, what comes after the then. So these are the converses of what we learned last time. Okay, let's go to the next one. If two lines are cut by a transversal so that the alternate interior angles are congruent, and here we go. Here's our example. Alternate interior angles are, if you know that they're congruent, then you know that the lines are parallel. Next one. So if two lines are cut by a transversal so that the consecutive interior angles are supplementary, you could also do the consecutive exterior angles if they're supplementary, but they have to be supplementary, right? They're not congruent. Then the lines should be parallel. And I believe this is the last one. If two lines are cut by a transversal so that the alternate exterior, see alternate, alternating on either side, and exterior on the outside, those angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. And the last theorem here is really pretty basic. If two lines are parallel to the same line, then they're parallel to each other. So if P is, and this is the symbol for parallel right here, if P is parallel to Q and Q is parallel to R, then P is parallel to R. Shocker. All right, that's all. I'm under 3 minutes today. Woo, woo. All right, peace out.